Hello children, let's learn the name of few birds today. Okay? किसुमान चराइर नाम आमी हिकिम आजी. चिड़ियों के नाम सीखना है हमको, ठीक है? Now the first bird is hen. आमी घरत पाऊ ना मुर्गी. So this is hen. We call it as hen, मुर्गी जितु आमी को. Okay? Next is duck. Duck, and how it makes sound? Quack quack, isn't it? Duck. हाँ बोली कौन से? हंस बोलते ना हम हिंदी में. Next one is crow. What is this? Crow. Kauri. कौवा. हिंदी में कौवा बोलते हैं. SMS में कावरी. Crow. It's black in color. Next is sparrow. What is this? Sparrow. Sparrow. Okay. Then next is parrot. Wow, such a beautiful color. Parrot. What is this? Parrot. So all of you repeat with me, okay, while watching the video. Parrot. This one is one of the beautiful bird. Peacock. Peacock. What is it? Peacock. And the peacock is having long tail. Next is pigeon. Pigeon. Kabutar. Parasorai, isn't it? Pigeon. And the next is owl. ये रात को निकलता है. Owl. Okay, इसको रात को दिखाई देता है, दिन को दिखाई नहीं देता है. So this is owl. And the next bird is crane. It loves to eat fish. इसको मछली बहुत पसंद है. मांस खाबोले भाल पाए. So this is crane. Crane. It is having long legs. So you have learned the names of few birds, isn't it? Repeat the video. Watch the video again and learn the names of the birds. ठीक है? फिर से देख के. Thank you.